हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करेंगे ज्योति सीएनसी ऑटोमेशन आईपीओ के बारे में। लेकिन इससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करते हैं ज्योति सीएनसी ऑटोमेशन आईपीओ के बारे में। इनिशियल पब्लिक ऑफर, minimum investment 14,175, minimum lot size 45 per share. Okay, IPO details 9 Jan 2024 and 11 Jan 2024. Bidding dates. Okay, minimum investment 14,175, lot size 45 and price range 315 and 331. Okay, 315 और 331, लॉट साइज है 45 और मिनिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट है 14,175। ओके, स्टार्ट डेट 9 जनवरी से 11 जनवरी तक और इशू साइज 1000 करोड़, 1000 करोड़ का इशू साइज है। RHP PDF। ओके, application details for Jyoti CNC automation IPO. Eligible investors can apply as regular. Apply as regular, the price is rupees 315 and 331. You can apply to 2 lakhs. Okay. Okay, apply as high net worth individual. Price is rupees 315 and 331. You can apply between 2 lakhs and 5 lakhs. About the company. Founded in 1991. Managing Director Mr. Parakramish Ghanasham Jadeja. Jyoti CNC Parakram Singh Ghanasham Jadeja. Jyoti CNC automation is a metal cutting CNC computer numerical control machine and manufacturer. It was founded in 1991 and holds the third largest market share in India. As of fiscal year 2023, the company manufactured a range of 5-axis CNC machines, including CNC turning center, CNC turn mill center, CNC vertical mechaning centers, and CNC horizontal mechaning centers. Okay, horizontal mechaning centers. Jyoti CNC automation's customers are spread across the industries like aerospace, defense, auto, general engineering industries, and among the others, their seventh sense solutions. Okay, elegance with industry 4.0 automating the diagnostic and analytical function for CNC machines with its vertically integrated process. The company is able to deliver technological and customized solutions. Okay, technological pertinent and customized solutions. This helps them against the international clients, and now it's caters to global clients like the Space Application Center ISRO and Turkish Aerospace. The company has 3 manufacturing facilities, 2 in Rajkot, Gujarat, Indian manufacturing facility, and 1 in Strasbourg, France. These facilities are equipped for the design, development, and manufacturing of their product range. Okay. Okay, strengths and risk. The company holds a 10% market share in India, making it the third largest CNC machine manufacturer in the country since April 1, 2004. Jyoti CNC has globally supplied over the 30,000 CNC machines in the 6 months ending the September 30, 2023, and the past 3 fiscal years. The company supplied over 8,400 machines to more than 3,500 customers in India, Asia, including India, Europe, North America, and other parts of the world. Okay. Okay, financials. Okay, so guys, financial revenue 580.06 crore 2021 and 746.49 crore 2022 and 929.26 crore in 2023. Okay, profit minus 70.03 crore 2021 and minus 48.30 crore 2022 and 15.06 crore 2023. Okay, total assets 1515.38 crore as on 2023. Okay. Okay, so guys, what is the issue size of the Jyoti Cnc? The issue size of the Jyoti Cnc automation IPO is rupees 1000 crore. Okay, what is the pre-apply for Jyoti automation IPO? And pre-apply will allow you to apply for the Jyoti Cnc automation IPO 2 days before the subscription period starts. Okay. If I pre-apply for Jyoti Cnc automation IPO, when will my order get placed? Your order will be placed on the exchange as soon as the Jyoti Cnc automation IPO bidding starts. You will receive a UPI request within the 24 hours after the bidding period. Okay. When will I know if your Jyoti Cnc automation IPO order place? Okay. We will notify you when your Jyoti Cnc automation IPO order is placed with the exchange. What are the open and closed dates for the Jyoti Cnc automation IPO? Dates of the for Jyoti Cnc IPO. Jyoti Cnc automation IPO will be open between the 9th Jan and 11th Jan. Close is 11th Jan 2024. Okay, what is the lot size and minimum order quantity of the Jyoti Cnc IPO? Jyoti Cnc Automation Limited IPO lot size is 45 per share. Okay, lot size 45. What are the allotment dates for the Jyoti Cnc Automation? Jyoti Cnc Automation IPO allotment date is 12th Jan 2024. For Jyoti Cnc Automation IPO allotment status check, you can visit the website of the register for the IPO. Okay, who is the register of the Jyoti Cnc Automation? Jyoti Cnc Automation IPO register is a link in time India Private Limited. You can check the Jyoti Cnc Automation IPO allotment status of on the website of the registrar. Okay. Okay, Jyoti Cnc IPO getting listed. The shares are proposed to be listed on BSE and NSE. Okay. Okay, so guys, Jyoti Cnc Automation IPO minimum investment 14,175, lot size 45. ओके सो गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.